How to create a Git repository in github.com and push the code. If you're interested to see the same video in Hindi, link is in the video description. All right, guys, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. So if you're interested to create the repository, completely blank repository in your github.com, then you need to perform some several steps. So in this video we'll go step by step on it. First of all, what you need to do, open github.com, and from the github.com fill up the sign up form. Like, as you can see that on the right hand side, sign up you can see the sign up button. Here enter your email address through which you are interested to create your account, and in your account you will receive the code, etc. things. Then after the login, after the sign up, you will link to this page, and the left hand side you will see the list of the repository. But this is the first time, so you are not able to see the list of the repository as it's shown to me like this. Now the next step is to create the brand new repository in github.com. So for that, what you need to do, click on the new button which is shown on the left hand sidebar. But before that, you need to download the git in your system. So open, you can check out the link description. I'll already place the link over here. Download the git in your system. We require two things, git and github. So git is for our system. You can see that based on your os, like mac or linux or windows, you can see the download button. For me it is windows. Through this you can see you need to download 32-bit or 64-bit. So how you can check it, you can see that in my blog I already specify. Right click on your pc, click on the properties window as shown in the blog over here, and you will find a system type. See, for me it is a 64-bit operating system. So based on your system, you need to either download 32 bit or 64-bit. And in your download section you are good to go. Double click on it, perform the next operation, and you are good to go. Git is successfully installed in your system. So make sure that you have installed the git in your system. Now move back to the github.com. Git is installed in our system. Now github.com, click on the new button on the top, next to the top repository tag. But make sure that you have installed the git in your system, which is one of the important thing in it. Okay, now let's just go back to the github.com over here, and mm, click on the new button. Specify the repository name which you wish to give over here. It is completely choice is yours. In the description you can specify your description on which type of description, like which type of repository it is. Either you can select or public or private, that means you are interested to make your code as for your backup. Public means that it is accessed by anyone else. In the initialize this repository you can also add the readme file also, and also licensing details, all of them. But as a beginner you don't require any of this. Just specify your repository name, description, make it as a public, and the down below click on the create a repository button, and your repository gets generated. That means, sorry, created on in your github account. So click on it and you will be redirected to your account slash your repository. See, learn coding bilingual slash my repository. So this is how we have learned how to create a repository in our github.com. Thank you very much.